Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Everyone, today I want to talk to you about one of the most important pillars of our faith, the five daily prayers. The importance of prayers. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in the Quran, establish regular prayer, for prayer is free from shameful and unjust deeds. Surah Al-Ankabut 45. The daily prayers, Fajr, Luhr, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. The daily prayers are a fundamental part of our faith. Let us strive to perform our prayer on time and with sincerity, seeking Allah's guidance and blessings. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Thank you.